Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn something simple but important: how a bank account works. First, what is a bank? A bank is a safe place to keep your money. Instead of keeping cash at home, where it could get lost or stolen, you can store it in a bank. When you open a bank account, the bank keeps your money safe and records how much money you have. Opening a bank account is simple. First, you choose a bank. Then you bring an ID so the bank knows who you are. Sometimes the bank may ask for an ID, a form to fill out, a small starting deposit. After that, your account is created. Now you can deposit money, put money into your account, withdraw money, take money out, save money safely. Many banks also give you an ATM card. This lets you get money from an ATM machine or pay for things without carrying cash. Banks can also help you save money and track how much you have. Remember, a bank account is simply a safe place to store and manage your money. Learning how banks work is an important step in becoming smart with money. See you in the next lesson.